Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting power and permissions right. Charge your Beats Solo 4 above 20%, then press and hold the power button until the LED begins to flash, which signals pairing mode. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings immediately so devices can see each other. This is faster than searching later. If asked, allow location or Bluetooth permissions. Those let your phone list nearby devices. Once ready, keep both devices within 1 meter so the initial handshake won't fail. Next, you choose the Beats from the available devices list. Tap the name that matches Solo 4. If a PIN or pairing prompt appears, accept or enter 0000 if required. Most modern phones won't need a PIN. Once you tap, listen for the confirmation tone from the headphones and watch your phone's Bluetooth screen change to connected. If you use an iPhone with H1 chip features, make sure to accept any pop-ups for device features so you get battery level and Siri integration. Finish by playing audio and adjusting volume on both phone and headphones. On Android, you may need to enable media audio in the device's Bluetooth profile. Once paired, your phone should auto-reconnect. Use the Beats app to manage settings or firmware. If pairing fails, reset the Solo 4 by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks, then repeat pairing. This clears stale pairings. If problems persist, reboot your phone. Forget the device in Bluetooth settings and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.